welcome to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi. When you put password on required setting, then every time you get disconnected from your Wi-Fi. So today I am coming with a new topic, that how to connect your Wi-Fi, because I am also suffering from this disease, you can say that, or anything called that. I have tried reset my device, but that does not work. I restarted my mobile, but that also does not work. Then I am coming with another solution, and that is, you need to first go to your Wi-Fi setting, and the Wi-Fi setting, first you need to tap on the open your Wi-Fi, turn on the Wi-Fi. Then after clicking the more button, there you will see there are two types of option there, that is called WPS push button and WPS pin entry. In your device there will be same kinds of option in somewhere else on this screen bar. So you need to first you need to tap on the WPS pin entry setting, and after tapping that you need to wait only 1 or 2 seconds, and then just cancel that option and again click on more, and then type WPS push button and wait some second. You can also wait 1 or 2 seconds, and after that waiting 1 or 2 seconds, just tap to cancel button, and then you will see the magic. You automatically get connected to your Wi-Fi which you have disconnected previous session. So if this video will help for you, don't forget to thumbs up and share this video with your friend who have this type of problem. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.